So what are these guys doing?
I have headache now. But I write. I know. Only this picture.
What's the model of this car?
NGD.
No, model.
موديل كار اللي هو مو الهوند
الفئة
السيفيك
Civic.
اللي هو اسم السيارة موديل كار اسم السيارة إذا جاك
What are you doing, Michelle? Where's your job card?
Huh?
Where's your job card? Job card. Yes, what will you do with that? So what are these guys doing?
I have headache now. But I write. I know. Only this picture.
What's the model of this car?
NGD.
No, model.
انجن موتور موديل كار اللي هو مو الهوند
الفئة
السيفيك
الفئة
Civic.
اللي هو اسم السيارة موديل كار اسم السيارة إذا جاك
This is the model.
سيفيك
Civic.
Teacher address, what address?
Anwan. What's address in Arabic? Anwan? Address. What's address in Arabic? Ayun.
One. Which one?
You will find in the email. He said what's his address.
Chef.
What is he busy about?
Huh?
What is this? Workbook?
Look, yes.
MashaAllah. And Fawaz. I have one guy sleeping here. Fawaz, up. Where's your job card? Please do your job card. Yes, Mashali.
2013
La, Sana, year. Model is what is the car name?
اه كان نعم
Yes. Look at them. Ayun. Yes, Akun. Huh?
Yesterday.
What about yesterday?
I got potato. I tell you.
Well, I waited for you.
Right. I tell you. I tell teacher Habil, he says stay.
But you never told, you never sent message to
I
me.
tell you, I come before 3 o'clock. Then I not come.
Did you send me a message that you're not coming?
I tell you face to face.
You told me face to face, but after.
No, before. Then after.
Yes. Tomorrow I will give you. Yes.
I write here the piston. The problem maybe piston. And the problem time chain.
Yeah, for example, this one. See here? What's the problem?
Time chain.
Huh?
Time chain.
Which time check?
Time chain. Timing chain.
Timing,
Timing chain or timing belt.
timing belt or timing chain. Aywa. So what's the problem? What happened? It's cut. It's damaged.
Cut. White.
Or damaged. It's damaged.
Okay.
How about this one? What's the problem?
Shock absorber.
Is this shock absorber?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
shock absorber.
coil.
Yes.
Coil spring.
Yes. The coil spring damage or cut.
Yes. What about this? What's the problem here?
Small break. I don't know. I think.
This one, what's the problem? This one. What about this?
Not washer.
Like this, huh?
Yes.
What do you call that?
Arabic مفتاح. English I don't know.
Wiper.
Wiper.
This one here.
Yes.
What about this? What happened to this?
It's broke.
This one. How about this?
Piston.
What happened to the piston?
Touch together. Valve.
Maybe
piston.
valve is problem. When the timing belt is broken, automatically, usually the valve has a problem. Okay, that's it. Not all the time, but usually. Okay. Yes. We'll see at my. What is Ahmad Nasser doing?
يحل يسمونه
What does it mean by this one? QTY. What's that?
كمية القطع يعني السير الماكينة يحتاج سير واحد في معنى عبارة
How many?
One.
Means how many, okay? What's this problem?
انجن رينج
Cut off the...
انجن ايه كات اوف ذا انجن يعني قطع سير الماكينة مشكلة.
What's your first one? Oh, where did you copy? You copy it by yourself? You did it by yourself? What does it mean by here, by this one? Cut off the engine?
انجن
Cut off
يعني قطع سير الماكينة.
timing belt.
What particularly?
كذا قطعت الماكينة. كيف قطعت الماكينة؟ timing belt.
That's not the main problem. Cut off the engine. What? If the engine stops, what is the problem exactly?
الماكينة أكيد طاب. بس وش اللي خربان؟
كنت كاتب
Yes, Omar.
Final speaking.
Huh?
Final speaking.
Yes?
Speaking. Final.
Dahin, now? Windshield. The...
Yes.
What happened to the windshield?
Damage.
It's damaged. It's broken. Totally broken. Including the
Wiper.
wiper.
The next time I have check engine. But check engine, we have more problem. Maybe
Yeah.
engine coil, maybe injector, maybe all the system.
Yes.
How I can write?
You are the technician. Yes. Write your name. All? Are you sure? Which one? Okay. So this is their output. So I'm gonna check this whether they did well in the, filling in the job card. So one of my best students actually is Nasser. Okay, this is the work of Nasser. Also, let me see with the work of some of my good students. Sure. Ahmed Shok. Khalid's work is here. It's also one of my good students, Muhammad Abu Saleh. So I'll be checking this one. So that's it. They did their job cards, so they are ready for their upcoming OJT on the job training in their respective workshops.